Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to our business channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of marketing and sales. How to develop and implement strategies that will ensure success for your business. Join us as we unveil all the secrets together. Section 1. Using social media. Let's start with the first section, the use of social media as a powerful tool for business promotion. Here are a few key aspects of using social media for marketing in your business. 1. Strategy development. First and foremost, it's important to develop a social media marketing strategy. Define your goals, the message you want to convey, and the social media platforms on which you will be active. 2. Platform selection. Choose social media platforms that are most suitable for your target audience and business type. For example, Instagram and Pinterest are good for visually oriented products, while LinkedIn is suitable for professional services. 3. Creating quality content. Content is the foundation of social media marketing. Create engaging, valuable, and visually appealing content: photos, videos, infographics, articles, and more. 4. Consistency and activity. Maintain consistency in your posts and interactions with your audience. Regular postings help to sustain user interest. 5. Audience interaction. Social media platforms provide the opportunity to directly interact with your audience. Respond to comments, reviews, messages, ask questions, and learn about your audience's needs. Section 2. Content marketing. Moving forward, let's delve deeper into content marketing, an effective way to attract and retain your audience's attention. Here are a few key aspects of content marketing. 1. Understanding the target audience. Before creating content, it's crucial to understand your target audience, their needs, interests, and problems. This will help you create content that truly interests and is useful to your audience. 2. Content variety. Create diverse content such as articles, blogs, videos, infographics, podcasts, e-books, and more. Different formats will help engage various types of audiences. 3. Quality over quantity. Quality should always outweigh quantity in content creation. Your content should be informative, interesting, and unique. It should address your audience's problems or answer their questions. 4. Search engine optimization, SEO. Use keywords and phrases related to your business in your content to increase its visibility in search engines. 5. Regularity. Maintain a consistent schedule for publishing content. This will help attract the audience and keep their interest in your brand. Section 3. Email campaigns and personalization. Now, let's move on to an important aspect: email campaigns and personalization, which help you connect with your audience. Here are some key aspects to consider. 1. Building a subscriber list. Before starting email campaigns, gather a database of email addresses from potential clients and subscribers. Pay attention to collecting data in accordance with privacy rules and regulatory requirements. 2. Content personalization. Personalized content is key to success in email marketing. Use the subscriber's name, consider their purchases or interests to make your emails more relevant. 3. Short and informative emails. Avoid lengthy texts. Your emails should be concise, easily digestible, and informative. Use headlines, lists, and visual content for readability. 4. Spam and unsubscribing. Send emails only to subscribers who have given consent to receive messages from you. Provide an option to unsubscribe from the mailing list in each email, so subscribers always have control over their subscription. Section 4. Impact of reviews and reputation on success. The next section, the impact of reviews and reputation on the success of your business. Reviews and reputation can influence brand perception, customer relationships, and conversions. Here are some key aspects. 1. Trust and credibility. Positive reviews from satisfied customers increase trust in your brand. They help enhance the likelihood that new customers will choose your product or service. 2. Social proof. Reviews serve as social proof of your brand's success. Potential customers are more likely to believe real experiences of other customers than you. 3. Customer relationship impact. Reviews provide an opportunity for you to engage with your audience. Responding to reviews shows that you value customer opinions and their satisfaction. 4. Social media and review platforms. Reviews on platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, TripAdvisor, as well as on social media, can influence the initial impression of your brand. Section 5. Community engagement and brand community. Moving forward, let's explore community engagement and creating a brand community. Here are some aspects to pay attention to. 1. Establishing a brand community. A brand community is a group of people connected by a shared interest in your brand, products, or services. You can create a community through forums, social media, chats, groups, podcasts, and more. 2. Knowledge sharing and experience. Communities allow members to exchange knowledge, experiences, advice, and insights. Your brand can become a hub where users learn from each other. 3. Creating interactive content. Involve your audience in content creation, questions, answers, polls, photo contests, etc. This increases engagement and a sense of belonging. 4. Brand ambassadors encouragement. Enthusiasts in the community can become advocates for your brand, helping spread information and recommending your products and services. 5. Continuous feedback. Monitor reactions and interactions within the community. They can provide valuable feedback on your brand and products. Section 6. Analytics and measuring results. Let's analyze results and delve into an important topic: analytics in marketing and sales. Here are some key aspects of analytics and measuring results. 1. Defining metrics. First, define the most important metrics for you. These could include conversion rates, website visits, time spent on site, link clicks, revenue, cost per acquisition, etc. 2. Web analytics. Utilize analytics tools such as Google Analytics to measure website traffic, user behavior, traffic sources, and more. 3. Conversion analysis. Measuring conversions is essential actions you want users to take after interacting with your content or advertisements. This could be making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, filling out a form, etc. 4. Social media analytics. If you're using social media, use the analytics tools of these platforms to measure metrics like engagement, likes, comments, shares. Section 7. Innovation and Adaptation. The next section, Innovation and Adaptation, which help businesses thrive in a fast-paced world. Here are some approaches to innovation and adaptation in marketing. 1. Monitoring trends and changes. Keep track of trends in your industry and market changes. Understanding what changes are happening allows you to react and adapt your strategies in time. 2. Continuous innovation search. Foster a culture of innovation within your business. All team members should feel empowered to bring in new ideas and changes. 3. Experimentation and testing. Don't be afraid to experiment and conduct A/B testing with new marketing approaches. This helps identify what works best. 4. Implementing technologies. Embrace new technologies such as artificial intelligence, automation, virtual reality, etc., to enhance audience engagement. 5. Collaboration with startups. Consider collaborating with startups that can bring new ideas and innovative solutions. Conclusion. We've reached the end of our journey into the world of marketing and sales. We hope you've gained valuable knowledge and insights to help develop your business. May your strategies be effective and your results impressive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our content, and leave comments. Together, we can reach the highest peaks in the world of marketing and sales.